First question is Pandit Makhanlal Chaturvedi won the Sahitya Akademi Award for which of the following works? Him Kiritini, Him Tarangini, Yug Charan or Sahitya Devta? The correct answer is option B, Him Tarangini. Pandit Makhanlal Chaturvedi was born on 4 April 1889 in Babai village in Hoshangabad district, Madhya Pradesh. He was one of the most distinguished writers in Hindi literature. In 1954, Makhanlal won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his work Him Tarangini, becoming the first recipient of the award in Hindi literature. Next question is recently India Post Payments Bank or IPPB launched WhatsApp banking services in collaboration with which of the following telecommunication company? Vodafone, Airtel, MTNL or Reliance? The correct answer is option B, Airtel. Recently, India Post Payments Bank launched WhatsApp banking services in collaboration with Airtel. It will allow customers to access banking services on their mobile phones. The move is aligned with the government's objective of promoting digital and financial inclusion among citizens in their language. Next question is which of the following statement is correct with reference to Project Tiger? The Government of India launched Project Tiger on April 1st, 1973. The project was launched from Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Both A and B or neither A nor B. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Recently, Project Tiger completed its 50 years. The Government of India launched Project Tiger on April 1st, 1973 to protect tigers and promote their conservation in India. Launched from Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, the project is an ongoing scheme of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next question is which is the first state in the country to implement right to health? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi or Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Recently, Rajasthan doctors call off protest against right to health bill after agreement with government. With this agreement, Rajasthan has become the first state in the country to implement right to health. Next question is which of the following countries are full-time members of the world's biggest military alliance, NATO? 1 Germany, 2 Sweden, 3 Finland, 4 Belgium. Options are 1, 2 and 3 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 1, 3 and 4 only or 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option C, 1, 3 and 4 only. Recently, Finland became the 31st member of the world's biggest military alliance, NATO. After this, Finland will be a full member of the alliance. While Sweden, who applied for membership at the same time as Finland, will also be able to join NATO in the coming months. The other member countries include Germany, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, etc. Next question is which of the following GI tag products belong to Uttar Pradesh? 1. Adam Chini Chawal, 2. Ramnagar Bhanta, that is brinjal, 3. Banarsi Pan. Options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only or 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Recently, the celebrated Banarsi Pan received the geographical indication tag. Along with the Banarsi Pan, 3 other Varanasi-based products, Banarsi Langda Mango, Ramnagar Bhanta Brinjal and Adam Chini Rice are among the products from Uttar Pradesh that have won the tag of geographical indication. Next question is Lord Mahavir was born on the 13th day of which of the following month? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Shravan or Ashadh? The correct answer is option A, Chaitra. Mahavir Jayanti marks the birth anniversary of the 24th and the last Tirthankara, that is enlightened teacher of the Jain religion, Lord Mahavir. As per the Hindu calendar, Lord Mahavir was born on the 13th day of the month of Chaitra. In 2023, Mahavir Jayanti was celebrated on the 4th of April. Next question is what is the theme for this year's International Day of Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action? Mine Action Cannot Wait, Safe Grounds, Safe Steps, Safe Home, Perseverance, Partnership and Progress or Together Against Mines? The correct answer is option A, Mine Action Cannot Wait. International Day of Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action is observed every year on April 4. The day aims to raise awareness against explosive mines and gather assistance towards their eradication. The United Nations Mine Action Service has chosen the theme Mine Action Cannot Wait for this year's campaign. Next question is the world famous Basohli painting has obtained the geographical indication tag. This painting belongs to which of the following state or UT? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir or Assam? The correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. The world famous Basohli painting from Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district has obtained the geographical indication that is GI tag. The process for GI tagging of 9 products was initiated by NABARD in consultation with the Department of Handicrafts and Handloom, Jammu and Kashmir in December 2020. Next question is India celebrates National Maritime Day on which date? April 2, 3, 4 or 5? The correct answer is option D, April 5. Each year, India celebrates April 5 as the National Maritime Day. The day marks the inevitability of defending, shielding, and preserving our maritime zone. It is to celebrate the global economy and to have a safe and sound, environmentally responsive approach to transporting goods from one point to another across the globe. Next question is, where is the 10th edition of INSLN Bilateral Maritime Exercise SLINEX 23 scheduled at? Vishakhapatnam, Colombo, Arabian Sea, or none of the above? The correct answer is option B, Colombo. The 10th edition of INSLN Bilateral Maritime Exercise SLINEX is scheduled at Colombo from 3 to 8 April 2023.